Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma.
I'm Emma, and I am so happy you are here with us again today.
And I'm Ben. And Emma, I had a disaster.
A disaster? Then what happened? Are you okay?
No, I am not okay. It was a career disaster.
Ben, what happened? Did you get fired?
No, worse. I think the new CEO, he thinks I am an idiot.
What? Why?
He was in the elevator with me.
The new CEO? Alone?
Yes, just me and the CEO for 30 seconds.
Oh, Ben, the elevator pitch?
It was an elevator disaster. He looked at me and he smiled and
What?
he said, "Hi, I'm Dave. I'm the new CEO. Tell me about yourself."
The ultimate question.
Yes. And Emma, I froze.
Froze?
My mind, it went blank.
Blank?
Yes, nothing. I forgot my name. I forgot my job.
Then you did not forget your name.
It felt like it. I was panicking. I just smiled and I was sweating.
Oh, Ben.
And then the elevator door, it opened and he said, "Well, okay then." And he walked out.
Oh, no.
He thinks I am an idiot. He thinks I cannot speak.
Ben, this is not a disaster. This is the disease.
The disease?
Yes, the my mind goes blank disease. And today, we are going to cure it 100%.
How?
We are not going to study. We are going to practice. We are going back into that elevator.
No, not the elevator.
Yes, right now. I am the CEO. I am Dave.
Okay.
The doors close. Hi, I'm Dave. Tell me about yourself.
Hi, Dave. I am Ben.
Hi, Ben. Go on.
My job is teacher.
Teacher?
Stop. It's happening again.
What?
I said, I am teacher. It's wrong. It's a mistake.
Ben, it is okay. It was a small mistake.
It feels huge.
It is not. I 100% understood you.
But what should I say?
You should say, I am a teacher.
A teacher.
Yes. Okay, let's try again. Hi, I'm Dave. Tell me about yourself.
Hi, Dave. I'm Ben. I am a teacher here.
Oh, a teacher, that's great. What do you teach?
Uh,
Ben, I asked you a question.
I know, but I was not prepared.
Ben, this is the secret.
What is the secret?
Tell me about yourself is not a speech.
It is not
No, it is a conversation. It is tennis.
tennis.
Yes, you hit the ball,
I am a teacher.
and then I hit the ball back.
What do you teach?
Yes, and you just answer.
I just answer. I teach English.
Yes.
I don't need a 10-minute speech about my life?
No, nobody wants that.
Wow. Okay. This changes everything.
Let's try again. Hi, I'm Dave. Tell me about yourself.
Hi, Dave. I'm Ben. I'm a teacher here.
Oh, a teacher. That's great. What do you teach?
I teach English.
Wow, English. That is a very important skill.
Thank you. What about you? I mean, you are the CEO.
Yes, I am the CEO. I manage the company.
Stop.
What?
You were perfect. I asked, what about you?
Yes, you hit the ball back.
It just came out.
Ben, that is it.
Share one, ask one.
Yes, share one, ask one.
I am a teacher. What about you?
I am the CEO. What do you do for fun?
I love cooking. What about you?
That is the secret.
Wow. Okay. This is the secret.
This is the secret. The disease is translating.
Yes. When my mind went blank, I was translating.
You were thinking in your language, my job is.
Yes. It is so slow.
It is slow, and it stops you from listening.
I did not listen. When I was panicking, I did not hear the question.
Because you were building your next sentence.
This is the disease.
So, how do we cure it?
We share one, ask one?
Yes, and you must think in English.
Think in English? Emma, that is impossible.
It is not. It is a micro-habit.
A micro habit?
Yes, we are going to practice. Right now.
Now?
Yes, we are at home. We are cooking.
Cooking?
Yes, I want you to narrate your life.
Narrate?
Yes, talk to me in English. What are you doing? SVO.
S-V-O?
Subject, verb, object. Who did what?
Okay. I
Subject,
am
verb,
nervous.
good. I am nervous. Keep going.
I
Subject,
stand
verb,
in the kitchen.
perfect.
I
Subject,
see
verb,
an onion.
good. What are you going to do?
I
Subject,
need
verb,
a knife.
yes.
I
Subject,
cut
verb,
the onion.
excellent.
I
Subject,
am
verb,
crying.
haha, see? You are thinking in English.
Wow. It was slow.
It is slow. It is a workout for your brain.
My brain is exhausted.
But if you do it 1 minute every day,
It will get easier?
it will become automatic.
Automatic. Okay. So the cure is think in English and share one, ask one.
That is the cure.
Okay, let's try a new conversation.
Good.
No CEO, no elevator.
Okay, we are at a coffee shop.
Okay.
Hi, excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, it is not. Please.
Oh, great, thanks. Phew, it's very cold today, isn't it?
It is. I hate the cold.
Me too. Are you from London?
No, I am from China. I live in London now.
Oh, wow, China. What do you do here in London?
I am a teacher.
A teacher. That's great.
What about you?
Oh, I am a student.
Oh, really? What do you study?
I study art.
Wow, that is very interesting.
Thanks. So, what do you do for fun, Ben?
I like read.
You like read?
Stop, mistake.
It's okay. It is data.
What is the rule?
Like ing.
Ing. You like read. Sorry. Yes, I like reading.
Me too. What kind of books do you like?
Stop.
What? You were perfect.
That was a real conversation.
It was.
It was messy.
Real conversation is messy.
I made a mistake, and I fixed it, and you asked me a new question.
Yes.
Wow, okay, this is how I learn.
This is how you talk about yourself.
It is not a speech,
No, it is an invitation.
an invitation to have a messy conversation.
Yes,
Wow, okay, my mind is not blank.
it is full.
I am ready. I am not afraid of the CEO.
Good.
I am going to wait by the elevator
Ben, no.
until he arrives.
Haha. Okay, Ben, that is enough.
I feel confident.
Good. That is the goal.
Wow, okay.
And for your homework,
Yes, we want you to practice.
go to the comments and tell us about yourself.
Yes, but use the V79 formula.
Share one, ask one.
No, haha, just tell us one fact.
My name is.
I am from.
I like ing.
We will read every single comment.
Thank you for listening to English with Ben and Emma.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
We will see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.